Alright, so I just finished this beautiful dish right here. It's pasta spaghetti with olive oil and garlic, and of course, I'm gonna make you watch me eat it. How's that? Let's fix the camera here. I'm not really that good at mukbangs, but I'll let you watch me eat. You're supposed to be able to see the food as you eat, so we're gonna give this a try. I just filmed this for you guys. So simple and easy to make. Oh my gosh. All this is sliced garlic, olive oil, a little crushed red pepper flakes, parsley, and Parmesan cheese. This will be my first true mukbang. What do you think about that? I don't know about you. But I can seriously. Almost eat my weight in pasta. Seriously. That's one strong Pepsi. Look at that, look at that. So, a little teaser. Look at the olive oil and the garlic flying. Today is Wednesday, hump day. I think I said on yesterday's vlog that it was hump day. Yesterday was Tuesday. Yesterday was not hump day. I need to fix my hair. But today is hump day. That means Survivor's on tonight. I'm keeping my food up here because they say you got to keep your food up to be able to see your food when you're doing your mukbang. This is super special. I have to work tomorrow, which sucks. But I leave for New York in 6 days. I'm super excited. You know what I like about this? Other than the fact that it's pasta and carbs. It has so much flavor to it. My camera keeps shutting off. Didn't even know it had shut off, and I was sitting here just eating away. Look at that. Don't even have much left. You know why? Because there's so many videos on here that I gotta get edited. I film all kinds of videos, and then it takes me forever to edit them. So I don't have any room on my camera. I'm getting where I don't have any room in my belly. Oh. Alright guys, so how am I doing my first mukbang? What do you think? Hmm? Do I need practice? Look at that. That was a long noodle. Gonna have Pepsi with it. I'm getting full. I don't know how those people eat all that. I've seen people do mukbangs with like big old plates of food. I mean, this really wasn't that much pasta. It expands in your belly, I guess. I don't know. Just try and tease you a little bit so you watch the recipe and you make it. I was trying to practice for my first real mukbang. So I was watching a video yesterday of this girl who ate this massive bowl, looked like a fish bowl full of that pho soup, had noodles and everything, and I'm not really sure how. She was just a little tiny girl too. I'm not sure where she put all that stuff at, but too much for me. I have that last little bite. That was amazing. Good. Oh, pasta makes me tired. I certainly hope you enjoyed this little mukbang, my first mukbang. There's a piece of spaghetti left. Gotta finish it. Make sure that you comment, like, and make sure you're subscribing to my channel. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying all my videos. You know I love you guys so very much, and I will see you on the next one. Who knows what it will be. Maybe I'll do one of the ASMRs or AMRS, or whatever they're called. Maybe I'll do one of those. So I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.